1987 Lincoln Cent coin collectors and history lovers. Today, we are diving into the 1987 Lincoln Cent, a modern penny that might seem ordinary at first glance but can actually be worth hundreds or even thousands of dollars in certain rare conditions. Stick around as we explore its history, design, rarity, and record-breaking auction prices. History of the 1987 Lincoln Cent. The Lincoln Cent has been a staple of U.S. coinage since 1909, when it was first introduced to commemorate the 100th anniversary of Abraham Lincoln's birth. The 1987 penny continues the Lincoln Memorial reverse design, which was introduced in 1959 to celebrate the 150th anniversary of Lincoln's birth. The 1987 Lincoln Cent was produced at 3 U.S. Mint locations: Philadelphia Mint, no mint mark, 4,682,466,931 minted; Denver Mint, D, mint mark, 4,879,389,514 minted; San Francisco Mint, S, mint mark, proofs only, 4,227,728 minted. With over 9.5 billion pennies struck in 1987, this is not a rare coin in general circulation. However, high-grade examples, proof coins, and rare mint errors can command high prices in auctions. Design of the 1987 Lincoln Cent. The 1987 Lincoln Cent features the classic design by Victor David Brenner, obverse, and Frank Gasparo, reverse, obverse, front side. Portrait of Abraham Lincoln, designed by Victor D. Brenner, has been featured on the cent since 1909. The inscriptions include, "In God We Trust," above Lincoln's head; "Liberty," to the left; the year, 1987, to the right. Mint mark, D, for Denver, or no mint mark for Philadelphia, below the year; reverse, back side, features the Lincoln Memorial, designed by Frank Gasparo in 1959. The inscriptions include, "United States of America," across the top; "E pluribus unum," just below, 1 cent, at the bottom. This reverse design remained in use until 2008, when it was replaced by the Lincoln Bicentennial Series in 2009. Rarity and value of the 1987 Lincoln Cent. While most 1987 pennies are only worth 1 cent, some rare varieties and high-grade specimens can be worth much more. Circulated condition, worn coins, face value, $0.01, slightly better condition, 5 cents, $0.10. Since billions were produced, circulated examples do not have additional value unless they have an error or high-grade, uncirculated condition. Mint state grades, MS 60 to MS 64, 50 cents. $2 MS 65, gem uncirculated $5, $10 MS 66, superb quality, few marks $15, $25 MS 67, rare, near perfect condition $100, $500 plus MS 68, ultra rare. Almost flawless $1,000, $3,000, auction highlight, a 1987 D Lincoln Cent graded MS 68 RD by PCGS, sold $4,2,650, 1987 proof Lincoln Cents, San Francisco Mint, S, mint mark, PR 69 deep cameo, $5, $10 PR 70 deep cameo, perfect condition $100, $300 plus. Rare errors and varieties of the 1987 Lincoln Cent. Some 1987 Lincoln Cents contain mint errors that can make them highly valuable. Here are the most sought-after varieties. 1. 1987 double die obverse, DDO, error. Some pennies show doubling in Lincoln's face, lettering, or date. A strong doubling effect can be worth $100 to $1,000, depending on its clarity. Point 2. 1987 off-center strike. If a penny is struck off-center, leaving part of the design missing, it increases its value. A 10% off-center strike might be worth $50 to $100, while a 50% off-center error could sell for $500 plus. 3. 1987 broadstrike error. A broadstrike penny lacks a proper rim because it was struck without the retaining collar. These coins can be worth $50 to $300, depending on condition. Point 4. 1987 die clash error. Die clashes occur when the obverse and reverse dies hit each other without a blank planchet in between. If noticeable clash marks are present, the value can range from $50 to $500, depending on severity. Point 5. 1987 Lincoln cent struck on a wrong planchet. Some pennies were accidentally struck on a dime or foreign coin planchet. These errors are rare and can be worth $500 to $5,000 plus depending on weight and condition. If you think you have a rare variety or error, getting it authenticated by PCGS or NGC is the best way to determine its true value. How to sell a 1987 Lincoln cent. If you have a 1987 Lincoln cent and want to sell it, follow these steps. Check its condition. Coins in MS 67 or higher are much more valuable. Look for rare errors, off-center strikes, broad strikes, and double dies can be worth big money. Get it graded. If you have a high-grade or rare variety, getting it certified by PCGS, NGC, or ANAX will increase its value. Sell online. Websites like eBay, Heritage Auctions, and Great Collections are great for selling collectible coins. Visit a local coin dealer or show. You can also sell to local coin shops or attend coin shows for potential buyers. Final thoughts. The 1987 Lincoln cent may seem like just another penny, but certain high-grade examples and rare errors can be worth hundreds or even thousands of dollars. If you have one, be sure to check its condition, look for rare varieties, and consider getting it graded. You might be holding on to a hidden treasure. That's all for today's deep dive into the 1987 Lincoln cent. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more coin collecting insights. Thanks for watching, and happy collecting.